Hello students, welcome once again in YouTube lecture, and the topic is decimal to octal conversion. Decimal to octal conversion. Okay. As you can see here, the divisor factor will be 8. As base is 8. As we know the base of octal number is 8. जो भी आपका octal number है उसका बेस क्या होता है? 8 होता है. तो इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे और वही मेथड फॉलो करेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो द सेम मेथड व्हाट वी हैव फॉलोड इन decimal to binary conversion. That was repeated method, the same method that we have followed in decimal to binary conversion. But the things what is different here, that is your base. There was base 2 and here we have base 8. Okay, so as we have here, we have a number that is decimal number, that is 328. Okay, and I am going to divide it by 8. Okay, until unless the remainder becomes less than 8. Okay, see here, 328 and divisor is your 8. If you divide it, 8 4s are 32 and 8 1s are 8. Their remainder will be 0. Once again, divided by 8. 8 5s are 40, and here we will have remainder 1. As you know, 5 is less than 8. 5 is less than 8, so we cannot divide it by 8. So simply we will write this digit here. Okay, and how we will write it? From down to bottom. Okay, so we can say the octal number of this decimal number is 510. Okay, it's a very simple process. Okay, and we can easily convert a decimal number into octal number. Okay, let's see one more example. Example 2. And here we have a decimal number in decimal, 275.4 base 10, and we have to find what will be the octal number of this decimal number. Okay, first of all, what we will do, we will divide that number which is before decimal point. Okay. Okay, so 275 divided by 8. 8 3s are 24, and the 3 will be remainder, and 35. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32, and 3 will remainder here. 8 4s are 32, and 2 will be remainder here. and as you know 4 is less than 8, so we cannot divide it by 8, so simply we'll write this digit here. Okay. Okay, see here as we have got this thing, and this is the octal number of only this number. Okay, so we can write here 275 base 10 equal to 4, 2, 3 and base is 8. Okay, now we have left here, we have 0.4 is left. Okay, and we also need to convert this thing into octal number, and how we will do it. See here, this is the 0.4 and okay 0.4. What I am going to do here, I will multiply this number by 8, and what I will get here, 32, and this 3 I will write here, and 2 I will bring here. Okay, just remove this point to here. Again multiply by 8, 8 2s are 16, and this, and I will replace this one here, from here to here 1, and I will bring this 6 this side, left side of equal sign. Okay, 6 into 8, and what I will get here, 48. From 48 I will write 4 here. Okay, and likewise this it will go on. Okay, so what I have got here, 413. Okay, 413. Okay, but we will take it from up to down. Okay, from up to down. Now see here, $275 okay plus 0.4. okay, as you know that is the octal conversion of this decimal number is 423 plus 423, and the octal conversion of 0.4 is 314. Okay, three, 1, 4. Now add these numbers. So here we will get 275.4 equal to 423.314, and here base will be 10. And here base will be 8. So In this way we can calculate octal number of any decimal number which is in decimal point, okay. So I hope this method is very easy for you and you can easily convert any number, any decimal number into octal number, okay. See you in next video lecture.